Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make app icon on your iPhone smaller or bigger on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So in order to make it smaller or bigger, this is the default size that you're seeing. So just pick any app on your iPhone, doesn't matter. You're just going to simply long press and hold until you can edit home screen. So tap on edit home screen. From there on, the apps are going to start wiggling, but right up top is a edit option. So to click on edit here. From there on, we're going to go ahead and click on customize. So once we click on customize, we have the option to have small or large icon, basically small or big icon for the app. So if I go large, you can see here the apps are much larger and much more visible than originally how the normal size was. Now, if you ever made it big and want to go smaller, just simply type in, click on small, it'll be smaller like that. And there's other customization as well that you can do. So that's going to be one way to make it bigger or smaller. Now, another way you can also do it for apps as well is if you want widgets. Widgets allow you to have a bigger version of the app, like the ones that you see right here, like a battery one. And then let's go ahead and, as you can see here, you can have a weather one. Let's make one as well. So for that, what you're going to do is, again, pick any app and press and hold. So let's go ahead and press and hold app on our iPhone, and then we're going to go into the edit home screen option here, and from there on we're going to tap on edit up top here, and we're going to click on add widget. And when you add a widget, you can see here some of the popular ones are showing up here, but pretty much any app that you're seeing can be added as a widget to make it bigger for you. So let's say if you wanted a bigger, maybe the photo app, so click on it, you can have an app suggestion here. Or let's go ahead and take other apps as well. So let's go ahead and pick an app like here from the list, like Facebook, for example, right? You can see it in bigger form if you're logged into it. Any app that you have, you can pretty much make it a bigger size of what you have. As you can see here, you can make a bigger size of any apps that's installed, that's available for us. So if I take Pro Photo, you can see here, I can have a big photo app as well. So I can add, and I can see that as well. And you can see here I can have that as well. So those are the different ways to make apps smaller or bigger on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you guys next time.